Hello guys, welcome back to Cho 2025. Have you ever wanted to transform a simple anime picture into a living, breathing, realistic video? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to use one powerful tool in ComfyUI to turn any cartoon image into a stunning, moving, and realistic video. It's so easy that anyone who can use one will be able to do this. The secret weapon is the Realistic Transformation LoRA for WAN, created by Cyberfolk. The link to download it is right in the video description below. First, download the LoRA and save it in your LoRA folder, which is usually found at ComfyUI/models/LoRA. Now, open up your standard image to video workflow in ComfyUI. The only thing you need to add is this new LoRA. Here are the key settings you'll need. Change the LoRA weight to 1.5. This is the sweet spot for the best effect. In your prompt, add the description, from animated to realistic, woman, eye property, realistic transformation. If your image is of a man, simply change woman to man. That's it. It's incredibly simple. Now, here are a bunch of sample videos generated from different anime images. As you can see, it works beautifully. The transformation is seamless, and the result is absolutely stunning. You have to try this for yourself.
Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter.
All the videos you just saw were generated on my NVIDIA RTX 46 Ti 60GB VRAM, so the process is fast and the results are amazing. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick and powerful tip. If you did, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. See you again on the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.